Hey there, Fox 6 meteorologist Wes White in the Weather Center. We're doing updates at the top and bottom of the hour this afternoon for a severe thunderstorm watch that we have in place. That watch will be in place through 9 o'clock this evening. Already some severe thunderstorms moving through Tuscaloosa, Pickens, Greene, Hale counties, and right now some incredible lightning. Now the storm's not severe at this point, but we're getting a lot of lightning here across Bibb County. If you're watching us right here around Centerville, the most intense part of this storm now is making a push over there towards Randolph and Lawley and into Chilton County here very soon. We also have quite a bit of lightning around Marion. Let's just track this thing as you make your plans this evening. This particular storm here is going to be in the Radford area in about 15 minutes. That's going to be clipping Marion as well, so that is another strong storm with some intense lightning that's going to be moving through Perry County. Further off towards the east here, a little bit of development in southern Cleburne County around, or just south of Heflin, and also some development around Bremen, Dodge City, and over towards Holly Pond and into northern Blount County. So that's what we're tracking at the moment. Non-severe, but some of these could flare up to the severe level. Main threat we're talking about, large hail already. Some reports of large hailstones around the Hillcrest area down in Tuscaloosa. I think as we go through the evening, maybe some strong straight line winds. We already had a lot of trees toppled last night. And, you know, one thing I mentioned yesterday, we had those strong storms back in April. Some of these trees kind of whipped around out there, so it wouldn't take much wind to topple a tree. You'll notice right there the severe thunderstorm watch. That does include basically the corridor, Highway 78 corridor and point southward for the most part through 9 o'clock tonight. Talladega County also in that severe thunderstorm watch through 9 o'clock. Here's a look at that storm from earlier in Tuscaloosa. A viewer picture. Dark skies, heavy rainfall. Move through Tuscaloosa, and again that large hail, gusty straight line winds. Here's a view from Hoover at the time of this update. We're looking towards the southwest, and you can see that's basically the storm we're looking at there moving through Bibb County, and that may clip places like Montevallo. If you look closely right in here, you can see that we've got looks like what may be a little gust front here. Kind of draw that out, and a lot of times these little outflow boundaries, this cool air outrunning these storms, can help to trigger additional development. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see some more storms kind of pop up out ahead of what's going on right now as this moves off towards the south and east direction. Hourly forecast. Tonight you'll see that we got a chance for a few passing storms again through the early evening. There's a chance a lot of us could catch a break later on tonight, but we're still keeping an eye on the potential for more storms to drift in here from the west direction. So late tonight, even after midnight, don't be surprised if you hear some thunder through the early morning hours. We're going to mention a chance of rain, maybe another wave of those storms moving through tomorrow morning. Is kind of tricky. We kind of have to time it all out. So that's why I do advise you to join us tonight on the news at 9 o'clock. We'll be talking about the overnight hours. We'll have the latest futurecast, take it hour by hour, and also talk about our Monday. A stormy weekend across the area. We're tracking it for you. We'll keep an eye on this severe thunderstorm watch. We have updates on our social media. You can follow me on Facebook, Wes Wyatt Fox 6, and of course on Fox 6 at the top and bottom of the hour this afternoon. We'll be updating you on the severe thunderstorm watch. I'm meteorologist Wes Wyatt. Be sure to join us tonight at 9 o'clock.